TechnoIllustrator. Editing font style. Learn. Steps. Step 1. Open Microsoft Paint. Click on Start and type Paint in the search bar. Then, click on Paint. You may also just go to Start, All Programs, Paint. Step 2. Open comicstrip.png. Click on File. Open. Select File to be opened. Open. Or press Alt-F. Press O. Select File to be opened, click Open. Step 3. Selecting the text tool. Click on the icon with the bold A. To start typing, click on the first white blank bubble. Type your story. The picture is showing Patrick and SpongeBob wide-eyed. They must have seen something. Maybe they saw an ice cream store. SpongeBob then says, "Patrick, I want ice cream." Remember, every time you type Patrick's name, you have to make it bold. To do that, click on the first letter of Patrick and drag until K. Now select B on font style or press Ctrl B. You have to readjust your text so it can fit the bubble. Step 4. Press Home to get back to your toolbox. To deselect the text you were working on, just left-click outside the text box. In the next scene, SpongeBob figured out a way on how to buy ice cream. He will ask Mr. Krabs for some money. He then said, "I know. Let's ask Mr. Krabs for money." To do this bubble, select on the second bubble to open up a text box. Type "I know. Let's ask Mr. Krabs for money." Let's change the font size and font face. To do this, select all the words by left-clicking on the first letter to the last letter of the sentence. Select the font face option and scroll down to select Trebuchet MS. Change the font size that best suits the sentence so it is readable and at the same fits the bubble. Select size 14. Adjust your text to fit the bubble. Remember to change Mr. Krabs' name to Underlined. To do this, select Mr. Krabs' name and select Underline under Font Style or press Ctrl U. Step 5. We are done with 2 bubbles. Now, let's move on to the next. Press Home to get back to your toolbox. To deselect the text you were working on, just left-click outside the text box. On the next scene, SpongeBob and Patrick have already met Mr. Krabs in his office. Patrick started asking for help. "Mr. Krabs, we need your help." Italicize Mr. Krabs' name by clicking the italic icon or press Ctrl I. Change the font size and font face so that the text will fit the bubble. SpongeBob then continues and says, "We need 20 pesos to buy ice cream." Modify the font size and font face to fit the bubble again. Mr. Krabs then replied, "Okay. Since the weather is hot." Type this in another text box. Change the font size and font face to fit the bubble. Step 6. Scroll down to adjust your drawing area, or use the scroll bar. Left-click on the bar and drag it down. Step 7. We are now on the 4th scene. Mr. Krabs is now getting 20 pesos from his cash register. He says, 1, 5, 10, 20. Here. With text tool still selected, click on your drawing area to start typing. Change font size and font face to fit the bubble. Step 8. Finally, Patrick hurriedly bought ice cream. He has one vanilla ice cream on one hand and chocolate ice cream on the other. He couldn't choose which flavor for himself, so he asked SpongeBob to pick one. He said, "SpongeBob, pick one." Deselect your previous text tool and click on the 5th scene to type. Remember to change SpongeBob's name to bold and change the font size and font face to fit the bubble. Step 9. They are now relaxing on the beach with ice cream on their hands. Deselect the previous text box by clicking outside the box. Click again to start a new one. SpongeBob finally says, "Ah, this is so fun." Change font size and font face to fit the bubble. Step 10. You're done. Save your work. Save your work by clicking on File in the upper left corner of your screen, beside the Home tab. Select Save As. Name your work mycomicstrip.png and click on the Save button.